Well, it looks like with our remaining amount of time, we have just enough time to invite you all up here. But first, we'd like to show you the song first. This one, it's pretty simple. It's called Getting Ready. Maybe some of you know it. It's composed by Mary Huntington from Shishmaref. Yeah. And now the movements. Let's see. First you put on your boots. And then you put on your taspak or a tikluk or a shirt. And then your gloves. And you look around, see if anybody's watching. Nobody's watching, so you fix your hair. And then you start dancing. The song is Getting Ready to Dance. We want to get you guys ready to dance. All right.
Come and dance. That's all we have for today, but we'll be back on Sunday, or not Sunday, Saturday. So Saturday night, thank you.
Amen.